When you're using Postman in your browser, sometimes you'll send a request and see this kind of CORS error. Some APIs require that you use the Postman Desktop Agent. If you don't already have that installed, go ahead and download it here. Once you install the agent, you'll also need to have it running, and you'll want to look for this Postman icon in your toolbar. So we've downloaded the agent. Let's go ahead and install and run it. If you were paying attention, you'll notice that in my bottom toolbar on my Windows machine, I see the Postman agent running. I also see a green check mark next to Desktop Agent. Let's go ahead and send this request. And we've overcome the CORS limitation because we have the Desktop Agent running on our machine. So that's it. Make sure you have the Desktop Agent downloaded and running on your machine so that you can use Postman from your browser.